Welcome to BotVeda, your go-to channel for robotics, automation and AI. In previous video, we have created a URDF file using this CAD model and we have closed the Fusion. But before closing, you have seen this unsaved changes from, and I am sure you have clicked on save here, but we have to click on don't save. But I am saving this to show the problem. I am saving the robot with demo robot. Due to saving this model, I am sure you are facing some problems, and we will see this problem in this video. After solving this problem, we will update our robot according to the design principle and reopen the file so that you can understand the problem. I have opened my previous file which I have saved recently. You have seen that. And I am trying to create a URDF from this CAD model again. And here you will see the error of old component _1 and old component _1 _1. We will see the solution, how to correct it. To solve this, we have to delete these coordinates which are newly created. And then we have to rename all these coordinates which gone under modification. Creating the URDF, and you will see this time our URDF is created successfully. Here you will see this successfully created URDF file. There is one more solution. Open our previous version of robot which we have. If you have saved previous version, you can open that version, but you can't edit that version, so it is not preferred solution. Here I have opened my previous saved version and I am creating URDF. URDF is successfully created. But you see here, we can't save the changes. If we make changes in this robot, we can't save it. So I will not recommend this solution. Now let's update our robot with the design principle. Here I have renamed my all components. We have created a robot, but it have sharp edges and faces, so I am applying fillet to it. I have taken the view and taking a top view. I have taken a top view and just click on fillet and select the entire robot. I am applying 1 mm of fillet, and here you will see the fillet is applied. Here are sharp corners and sharp edges are been replaced with fillet. So just right click on any body and apply the physical material. I'm taking a plastic, ABS plastic for this robot. Just drag and drop the material on the body and close the window. Thereafter, I am applying an appearance. I'm going to paint my robot with smooth powder coat. Here, I'm just dragging and dropping the color. I don't know you have downloaded this color or not. If you don't have any color, just download that color with the download button. And our robot is ready. Again, we will create a URDF file. Before creating URDF, we have to save this robot for our future use. I am saving it with demo_robot name, which I have previously given, and I am converting to URDF. Here, successfully created URDF. Just don't save on its changes because we have saved it previously.